Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best digging knife is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your gardening arsenal, seamlessly blending the precision of a knife with the strength needed to tackle tough roots and compacted soil. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, a high-quality digging knife can significantly improve your efficiency and enjoyment of outdoor projects, making even the most challenging tasks feel manageable and rewarding. Number 5. Nisaku NJP 650 Hori-Hori Knife. This exceptional gardening tool is crafted with the finest Japanese stainless steel, ensuring superior quality and durability. It's made in Japan, known for its precision and craftsmanship. You can trust it to perform flawlessly, time after time. Planting at the perfect depth is easy thanks to the inch markings on the blade. Precise planting leads to healthier growth. It's more than just a weeding knife. It's perfect for gardening, landscaping, and even camping, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. The blade is incredibly durable, resisting rust and scratches while maintaining its razor-sharp edge. It's built to last. With a comfortable wood handle and perfectly weighted design, it feels great in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. The 7.25-inch blade and 5.25-inch handle provide excellent balance. What we like. It's made of high-quality Japanese stainless steel, ensuring its durability and sharpness. The blade's versatility makes it perfect for various tasks, from gardening to camping. If you value quality and need a tool for multiple uses, this is the one for you. What people say. It's very sharp, looks and feels durable, and really helps with weeding, precise edging, slicing through challenging root balls. The Nisaku Hori-Hori is better finished than the Barnel, though the Barnel has a decent sheath. The Nisaku is nicely made. The steel is appropriately thick and is highly polished, which helps whether digging, cutting, or cleaning. It arrived very sharp on both blades. The shape and sturdiness made digging pretty easy and surprisingly quick, but my chore turned into a game almost when I got to the hundreds of roots I needed to clear so I could use my sawzall on the main stump without killing my saw. Anyway, I found that the sawing side of my Hori-Hori will not only saw, but chop like a champ. I couldn't believe it. If you know anything about cypress, it is a very hard wood. I was almost in awe. No nicks or scratches. Number 4. SE PROSPECTOR'S Shovel. This innovative shovel is perfect for gardeners, metal detectors, and gold prospectors. Its unique design makes digging easier and more efficient than ever before. The serrated edges allow it to cut cleanly and deeply into the ground, making it ideal for removing plugs of earth. This feature saves you time and effort. It features an oversized comfort grip, ensuring a secure and comfortable hold even during extended use. You'll appreciate the ergonomic design. A durable carry sheath is included, allowing you to easily transport it and keep it protected. The belt loop makes it easy to carry hands-free. Whether you're gardening, prospecting for gold, or detecting metals, this versatile tool is up to the task. It's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. It comes with a high-quality Garrett carry sheath for convenient belt mounting. This keeps it secure and readily accessible. What we like. Its serrated edge cuts cleanly and deeply, while its compact size makes it easy to carry. The included sheath adds to its portability and convenience. If you need a handy tool for digging and prospecting, and appreciate convenience, this is your best bet. What people say. Very well made, and I doubt that I'll ever bend it in any way. I've used it for a while now for metal detecting and I'm very pleased with it. Southeast Prospector's trowel is excellent, in my case gardening work. Tool has heft, and cuts through tough soil easily. Product appears very sturdy and the sheath seems fairly durable. The tool does a great job, and having serrations on both sides is helpful. One side is fully serrated and the other has serrations on the lower portion of the blade. It is great in soft soil, but I've also used it in rocky soil with lots of small roots, and while extra effort was required to create a neat plug, it still got the job done. Number 3. Hori-Hori Gardening Knife. This versatile tool is perfect for all your gardening needs. It's built to last and designed for ease of use. From digging and weeding to planting and harvesting, it tackles any task with ease. Its many uses make it an essential addition to any gardener's kit. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it features a rust-proof blade and a full tang handle for exceptional strength and longevity. You can depend on it for years to come. The integrated handguard provides extra safety and prevents accidental slips. Your comfort and safety are our top priorities. It comes with a sturdy leather sheath for safekeeping and convenient belt attachment. Keep it protected and always at hand. We stand behind our product with a 3-year warranty, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and 24/7 customer support. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This knife is incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of gardening and outdoor tasks. The protective handguard and leather sheath enhance safety and storage. If you prioritize safety and versatility in a gardening tool, this is a great option. What people say. The blade is incredibly sturdy and sharp, making light work of cutting through tough soil and roots. It's versatile enough for precise weeding yet durable for heavier tasks like digging and transplanting. The measurements on the blade are an added bonus, making it convenient for spacing plants accurately while gardening. The comfortable wooden handle provides a solid grip, allowing for extended use without causing discomfort. This knife, plus my pruners, are the only tools I need 90% of the time. Number 2. HAUSHOF Hori-Hori Knife. This versatile tool is perfect for any gardening task. Its durable design and sharp blade make light work of even the toughest jobs. It boasts a full tang stainless steel blade that won't snap, even under heavy use. The mirror polish makes it easy to clean and resistant to corrosion. This knife features both a straight and serrated edge, allowing you to cut through tough roots and branches with ease. It's perfect for weeding, planting, and harvesting. With markings in inches and millimeters, it helps you accurately measure planting depth. No need for a separate ruler. The comfortable wooden handle provides a secure grip, and the leather sheath makes it easy to carry and store. Always be prepared. From weeding and digging to planting and harvesting, it simplifies your gardening tasks. This one tool replaces many. What we like. Its full tang blade ensures strength and durability for heavy-duty tasks. The integrated measuring tool is incredibly convenient for planting. The durable leather sheath provides excellent protection and portability. If you need a robust and practical gardening tool with added convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. Useful tool and wear it on your belt. It gets in and under weeds roots like no other. Makes digging up flower beds easier. Also for dividing perennials. It seems to hold its sharp edges as well. Number 1. Nisaku NJP 651 Hori-Hori Knife. Introducing the Nisaku NJP 651 Hori-Hori Knife, a versatile tool perfect for gardeners and outdoor enthusiasts. Its durable design and sharp blade make it ideal for a variety of tasks. Use it for weeding, seeding, transplanting bulbs, or digging. It's the perfect tool for creating the ideal planting hole every time. But it's not just for gardening. This knife is also excellent for hunting, fishing, and camping trips. Its many uses make it a valuable addition to any outdoor kit. This special edition boasts the hardest stainless steel blade in the Hori-Hori line. One side is beveled for slicing, while the other is serrated for cutting. The concave blade and inch markers allow for precise planting and seeding. It's made from rust-proof, scratch-resistant Japanese stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Crafted by skilled Japanese artisans, it's built to last for many seasons. Experience the quality and precision of a tool perfected over generations. Originally used by traditional Japanese hunters, it has evolved into the ultimate gardening, hunting, and outdoor knife. Add it to your collection today. What we like. This knife boasts an exceptionally hard stainless steel blade, ensuring superior durability and sharpness. The concave blade design enhances its digging and cutting capabilities. The inch markers allow for precise planting. If you need a heavy-duty, precise tool for digging and planting, this is the ultimate choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.